a legal bomb that's really rocking the top of the Fox News empire. You may know, if you follow this program or other news of any kind, that this is heat that has gotten way, way hotter and way higher for Fox than most of its assorted past scandals. We are one day out from jury selection in a case that's now barreling towards, obviously, trial, with $1 billion plus judgment on the line. And there's new evidence from inside a hearing where the judge is sanctioning, new tonight, sanctioning Fox News for hiding evidence in this suit about lies, this defamation case. The judge considering further investigation and censure. This is not how it's supposed to go when you are complying with the law to start this kind of trial. Now, lawyers for the plaintiffs, that's the voting company suing Fox, have played recordings of a Fox News producer from 2020. Those exist. They are believed to be authentic, but they were not provided to those lawyers during legally mandated discovery. That's a big deal. And the judge is saying it looks like hiding evidence, and this could further damage Fox going into this trial. The producer told the Daily Beast that Giuliani admits on one of the recordings to a Fox host that he simply can't prove the Dominion allegations that they went on to air and promote, and even Murdoch said endorse. Dominion could have a chance to conduct another deposition on all this because, again, the allegations and the evidence suggest that Fox either deliberately or perhaps innocently, that is to say by mistake, withheld evidence that should have been provided. Now, the judge says this goes beyond one possible mistake. Again, to be as fair as possible, I noted that in large litigation, sometimes you could forget to hand something over. But let me tell you what the judge is saying, quote, at this point, in this case, Fox News has a, quote, credibility problem after this and other related disclosures that involve them being less than forthright and factual with the court. And keep in mind, this is being less than factual in a case that is testing whether this company lies as a business model, lies to an illegal degree, lies to the degree of defamation, which is a high bar, hard to prove. Now, what's going to happen in the trial? Bloomberg reports Rupert Murdoch will sit down and testify as a key witness, one of the first two. That means you could see him on the stand early next week. There are other familiar faces expected. The witness list looks like something of a programming lineup. You can see the top anchors on there. You can see among them one of the highest viewed and most influential conservative voices in the country, Tucker Carlson. And he was actually just reunited with Donald Trump. And this is where there are more twists than an episode of Succession, which is loosely sometimes inspired by the HBO show is loosely inspired by the Fox show. Hard to keep all the shows straight, right? Well, the themes in Succession are on display here because it was only this very lawsuit that exposed Tucker Carlson for privately seething at Trump and saying he hates him and basically admitting that his show is a time of the day where he lies to the public about how he feels. I hate him, Tucker said. Busted only because of this case, but there they were last night back together in a very glowing interview. We will get into that and the politics of all that. It was Carlson who has resuscitated Donald Trump at this moment that he really needs help because we've seen among independents, some self-identified conservatives, and definitely people who don't self-identify as Republicans, that getting indicted in New York has not helped Donald Trump as a potential president.